Stop scrolling if you are struggling with high blood sugar, hair fall, or stubborn weight. This recipe is a game changer. I managed to bring my sugar down to 5.7, and this magic green cube is one of the biggest reasons why. Today, I'm showing you the most advanced version of my Moringa Cubes, packed with ingredients you won't find in any store-bought supplement. Fresh moringa leaves, 1 large bowl, hand-picked and thoroughly cleaned. Coriander stems, 1 handful, finely chopped for maximum nutrition. Fresh curry leaves, 1 handful, finely chopped. The fresh aromatics, garlic, 1 handful, finely chopped. Ginger, 1-inch piece, finely chopped. Green chilies, 4 pieces, finely chopped. Raw turmeric cacio haldi, 1-inch piece sliced. The healing spice mix, black pepper, 1 tsp, whole or crushed. Cumin seeds jira, 1 tsp. Carom seeds ajwain, 1 tsp for digestion. Fenugreek seeds methi, 1/2 tsp for sugar management. Dried cherry chilies, 4 pieces for metabolism. For sautéing, cooking oil ghee, 1-2 tablespoon to release essential oils. Quality matters. I start by hand-picking fresh moringa leaves, cleaning them one by one to ensure only the best goes in. But wait, don't throw away those coriander stems. I've finely chopped a handful of them, along with a bowl of fresh curry leaves. Why chop them small? So they blend perfectly into your food. And no one can pick them out. This is pure nutrition in every bite. Look at this preparation plate we have. Fresh aromatics, finely chopped garlic, ginger, and 4 green chilies for that metabolic kick. The healer, 1 inch of fresh, sliced raw turmeric. Fresh is always better than powder. The spice armor, a mix of black pepper, cumin, and my secret weapons, ajwain carom seeds for digestion and fenugreek methi for sugar control. The heat, 4 dried cherry chilies to keep your metabolism firing. Now, let's bring it all together. I sauté these ingredients in a little oil until they release their natural oils and aroma. Sautéing raw turmeric and garlic removes the raw smell and makes the nutrients easier for your body to absorb. Once cooled, we grind this into a thick, vibrant green paste. The smell is absolutely incredible, earthy, spicy, and fresh. I fill my silicone molds with this paste and freeze them. 1 cube is all you need. Whether it's my quinoa, egg curry, or lentils, I just drop one in. It saves me from the daily hassle of chopping and grinding, making healthy eating effortless even on my busiest days as a creator. This is how I take care of my 5.7 sugar level while staying energetic all day. If you want more recipes from my sugar-free journey, hit subscribe. My next video might be about the special quinoa ragi roti I eat with these. Don't forget to like and share this with someone who needs a health boost. Stay healthy, stay happy. Health benefits of my signature Moringa Super Cubes. 1. Moringa, the miracle tree, the powerhouse of this recipe. It helps lower insulin resistance, making it vital for maintaining a 5.7 sugar level. It contains 17x more calcium than milk and 25x more iron than spinach. 2. Curry leaves, rich in antioxidants that prevent oxidative stress. They are excellent for hair growth and help reduce bad cholesterol, LDL. 3. Coriander stems. Most people throw these away, but they are packed with fiber and vitamin C. They act as a natural detox for your kidneys. 4. Fresh ginger and garlic. Garlic improves heart health and blood flow, while ginger is a powerful anti-inflammatory that aids in rapid weight loss. 5. Raw turmeric cacio haldi contains high levels of curcumin. It is a natural immunity booster and heals the body from within. 6. Fenugreek seeds methi, a superstar for diabetics. It contains fiber that slows down the absorption of sugar in the bloodstream. 7. Carom seeds, ajwain, perfect for gut health. It prevents bloating and boosts metabolism, helping you burn belly fat faster. 8. Black pepper, essential for health. It contains piperine, which helps your body absorb the benefits of turmeric by up to 2,000%. 9. Cumin seeds jira, activates digestive enzymes, ensuring that the nutrients from your food are absorbed efficiently. 10. Green and cherry chilies, contains capsaicin, which fires up your metabolism and helps the body burn more calories throughout the day. Why I sauté them? I don't just blend them raw. By sautéing these ingredients in a little healthy fat, I activate the essential oils and fat-soluble vitamins, making this recipe 10 times more effective than raw powders. You might wonder, why go through the trouble of freezing these portions? Let me tell you, this simple step is the secret to my consistent health journey. Here's how it helps. 1. Consistent nutrition every single day. In our busy lives, we often skip healthy ingredients because cleaning, peeling, and chopping take too much time. By storing these, you ensure that even on your busiest day, your body gets the miracle of moringa and all these spices without fail. 2. Preservation of nutrients, freshness lock. Deep freezing right after sautéing locks in the essential oils of the spices and the vitamins of the moringa leaves. It stops the oxidation process, so the 10th day portion is just as healthy as the 1 cent day portion. 3. Effortless meal prepping saves hours. This hack saves me at least 20 minutes of kitchen work every day. No more peeling garlic or grating ginger daily. Just one super cube into the pan, and your healthy meal is ready. It's perfect for working professionals and busy creators like us. 4. Portion control. By freezing them in small cups, I have created perfect portions. You know exactly how much nutrition you are adding to your meal, which is very important when you are tracking your diet for weight loss or sugar control. 5. No food waste. Fresh moringa and herbs can spoil quickly in the fridge. This freezing method ensures that not a single leaf goes to waste. It's healthy for your body. I believe that health should be easy. If it's hard, we won't do it every day. This storage method makes being healthy effortless. Thank you for the watching video.